Ready to potentially profit when the market dips? This is how to short crypto on Kraken Pro. First, log into your Kraken Pro account from the main dashboard. Navigate to the trade section. This is where all the action happens. Next, select the cryptocurrency pair you wish to short. For example, let's say you believe Bitcoin is going to decline against the US dollar. Choose the BTC-USD pair. Make sure you're in the advanced order form. This gives you the necessary tools for shorting. You'll typically find it on the right side of the screen. Now, to initiate a short position, click on the sell button. This tells Kraken Pro that you want to sell the cryptocurrency, anticipating a price decrease. Specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to short. Then, select your desired order type. A market order executes immediately at the best available price, while a limit order lets you set the price you're willing to sell at. A stop-loss order can help manage your risk. Review the order details carefully, paying close attention to the estimated margin requirements. Margin is the collateral you need to borrow the crypto. Once you've executed the trade, monitor your open positions. Remember to manage your risk with stop-loss and take profit orders. These automatically close your position at predetermined price levels. Utilize Kraken Pro's charting tools for technical analysis. Staying informed about market volatility and news is crucial. Shorting involves risk, so always trade responsibly.